Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video tutorial how to unlock Tcl 4188C firmware version, so a new security model. As usual, we have here one network locked model, as you are going to see. So in order to unlock it, I'm going to use the Smart module from Furiousgold, pack 6. Let me show you the version also. So the LEVA and LEVB firmware versions are new security. You are going to see that in the software also you have a 4188C new security as model. So you can see LVB, this is the latest version at the time of recording this video, and is also a new security. So let's start by choosing our model here in the software. So I'm going to pick 4188C new security, and from the operations I'm going to select remove SIM lock. Now I'm going to power off the device. Once the device is off, I'm going to press connect on the software and attach the USB cable to the powered off device. Operation starts. Be sure that you have active support in order to unlock this model. And in a matter of seconds, the process ends. Now let's check if the phone is unlocked. So as you can see, it's not showing anymore the network lock message. We have here Vodafone Romania, full signal. So everything went okay. Thanks again for using our products. Thanks again for watching this video tutorial. Bye bye.